If you're struggling with bronchitis, asthma, or a persistent cough, this natural remedy can help soothe your throat, clear your airways, and prevent nighttime coughing attacks. Bananas reduce throat irritation, inflammation, and dry cough, while hot water extracts the banana's healing properties. Honey fights infections, soothes irritation, and calms persistent coughing. To prepare, mash 1 ripe banana until smooth. Pour 1 cup of hot water over it and let it sit for 10 minutes. Strain the mixture and add 1 tablespoon of honey. Drink 1 warm cup in the morning or before bed for instant relief. Try this remedy and breathe easier. Save and share this with someone who needs it.